Hello everyone. I'm having a simple and a spicy breakfast. This is boiled and tempered chickpeas with black coffee. Yummy and kind of spicy. It is spicier than I intended it to be. But it's okay. The coffee has some sugar in it. I think it's raining right now. See, I have put some leeks, onion, garlic, curry powder, salt, turmeric powder and chili powder. I have run out of pepper, black pepper, so I didn't put any. If I had any, I would have put black pepper too. But this is enough. It tastes spicier than it looks. Yummy! I know you guys really like when I bring food videos.